Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. Are you currently having problems with your TikTok shop not showing on your iPhone and you want to be able to fix it? Well, actually me myself, I had the exact same problem before and I'm going to show you step by step exactly how I was able to fix it quite quickly. So what you're going to do firstly is to just go into your TikTok app and then come to your profile right here as you can see. And now when you're on your profile, then what you're going to do, you're going to firstly click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines. And as you can see, you should now be able to see these alternatives in here. But in here, you're just going to click on settings and privacy. So click on settings and privacy. Then you're now going to scroll down just a little bit until you can see where it says report a problem. Just click right here and it's just going to load, and perfectly, as you can see, we should now be taken here. Scroll all the way down in here and click on chat with us in here. And you should now be taken here. In here, just write to them like this, report a problem. So just write like this and then click on submit a ticket. And now you need to write exactly like this to the TikTok support to be able to actually fix this issue. I wrote like this, I am having problems with TikTok shop not showing on my account. I am using an iPhone and I need this to be fixed. Fixed. So I am having problems with TikTok shop not showing on my account. I am using an iPhone and I need this to be fixed. Now click on submit. And after this, you will need to wait, unfortunately, about 24 to 48 hours for the TikTok support to be able to actually see this. So you're going to obviously submit this to them, but there is one more thing, by the way, that you need to do, so keep watching. There is one more thing that you need to do to be able to make sure that this is going to work after about 24 to 48 hours. So after we have actually submitted this ticket right here, it might, by the way, take a couple of minutes, sometimes to a couple of seconds for this to completely load, just so you know. And when it does, it's just going to actually create you a ticket and you will be able to see that your ticket has now been submitted, basically. So we are going to wait until this submits, and after it has actually done so, then what you can do, I'm just going to actually close this for now. I'm going to go into my app store because I have an iPhone, obviously. And then we're going to search like this. We're going to search for TikTok in here. Search for TikTok, scroll down, and if you have this update button in here, this blue button where it says update, click on it and make sure that you actually update your TikTok version to the latest one, because that can also fix this problem. If you don't have the update button, don't worry, wait 24 to 48 hours, go back and check again, and hopefully now you will be able to get TikTok shop on your iPhone.